Hey guys, if the TikTok application is not opening or not working on your iPhone, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our home screen on our iPhone, and you just need to head over to the bottom of the screen with your thumb, and then we're just going to scroll up and you'll see all of your applications like you see on the screen here. Then what we need to do is just scroll through these list of applications, and if you have the TikTok application inside of here, then just scroll up to end the application. Now, if you don't see the TikTok application inside of here, that's absolutely fine. Move on to the next step. The next thing we're going to do, from our home screen, we're going to select our App Store, select our profile icon in the top right hand side, and you need to scroll down to this update section and just make sure there's no pending updates inside of here for TikTok. If you do see an update inside of here, then just go ahead and install that now. We're then going to head back over to the home screen, click on settings, come down to general, come inside of software update, and once again just make sure you're running the latest version of iOS. If there is an update inside of here, click on install now, and then you can try checking to see if that fixes the issue, as sometimes outdated software or apps can cause issues with the application not working or not opening. So if you've tried that and it's still not working, the next thing we're going to do is head over to our home screen, locate the TikTok application from here, hold down on the TikTok application and select remove app. Click on delete app to confirm, and then you'll need to head back over to your app store, search for TikTok, and then reinstall the TikTok application. Then come back over to the home screen, come inside of the general tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom, select transfer or reset iPhone, click reset at the bottom, then you need to select reset network settings. In order to do this, you'll need to enter your passcode and just follow the steps on screen to reset this. Once that's been reset, another thing you'll need to do is check your storage. So how you do this is come over to your settings menu, scroll down to general, come inside of iPhone storage, and at the top here you can see how much space we have left on our iPhone. So just make sure you have enough space for the TikTok application, otherwise you'll need to delete some data from your phone to free up some space, whether that be deleting some applications or some photos. And if that's still not working, then what you'll need to do is come back over to the settings window, scroll down to screen time, click on app limits, and just make sure you don't have any limits set for the TikTok application. As if you have set up a limit inside of here, then obviously it will limit how much you can access the application. Then come back over to the screen time menu, come inside of content and privacy restrictions. If you do have content and privacy restrictions turned on, then just make sure all of these options down here are set to allow. Come inside of content restrictions, and once again just make sure all of these settings are set to on and allow. Click on allowed apps and make sure TikTok is allowed from this list. And the easiest way to avoid this altogether is just turn off content and privacy restrictions, and then that will prevent this from causing an issue with the TikTok application. And then what you need to do is restart your iPhone, and that should have now fixed any issues with the TikTok app. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.